you will do? Besides you, a big stick is there. Then you will try to kill the snake. How these things are happening? Because of the natural intelligence you are having. Okay, so that kind of intelligence you demonstrate in the missions, that will become an artificial intelligence. Okay, that will become an artificial intelligence. Next, learning. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experiences. In other words, what I am telling, learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, already I mentioned. Next, data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary means algorithms are collect yeah, sorry, students, small internet issue, machine learning and data science. Then we will see what is coding and different kinds of languages we are having in order to implement this particular coding branches. Programming should be the fundamental knowledge required all the
Sir, my voice cut అయితుంది sir. Sir, your voice is disconnecting
students who
continuously.
are opted for computer science and its specializations.
So, my dear students, just 2 minutes. So, hope everybody are there, and there is a small internet glitch at college. That's why nothing. Let us see one thing. And వీళ్ళు చూడలేదు. Dear student, this is a person who has placed in Facebook in California with 1.4 crores package per year. సంవత్సరానికి 1,40,40,00,000 అన్నమాట.
And their parents. Welcome to CMR. Congratulations on your admission. I'm Chandu Eragopu, 2011-15 Computer Science and Engineering student of CMR. 9 years ago, I joined college just like you are. And today, I'm working as Analytics Project Manager at Facebook, their headquarters in California, USA. CMR has given me so many things in my life, from teaching me technical skills, soft skills, and also it gave me wonderful friends for life. One most important thing I'm always thankful to CMR is for the placements. In 2015, when I passed out, I had 3 job offers in my hand, and that gave me a great start to my professional career. That's why we say, think placements, think CMR. I'd like to congratulate all of you once again, and like I wish you all the best. Make the best out of 4 years. Make use of every opportunity that the college provides you, and come out with flying colors. All the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Piyush. I'm a BTech pass out from CMR Technical Campus in 2015 and currently I'm working in SAP Labs Bangalore. CMR has helped me to build a good company, established me in technical knowledge, given me a lot of trainings, and hence I'm here at a satisfying job. I congratulate CMR for getting a autonomous UGC standard, and I wish all the best to all the college students, faculties, management to move ahead and reach to new goals. We have been very happy to stay in touch with college as alumni, as we keep visiting, and every year we attend alumni meet in CMR Technical Campus. All the best. See you.
Hello friends, how are you? This is Vishal. I'm a 2017 passed out student. As of now, I'm working for 2.0. I'm a senior associate there. Coming to the college, I had a very great experience studying in CMR Technical Campus. I used to organize many events which helped me a lot. When it comes to stage fear and all, it helped me a lot. I didn't have any stage fear when I was in some interviews or anything. And coming to the alumni meets as well, I used to get information about alumni meets from my sirs who are working for CMR Technical Campus till now. And also, I used to get emails about the alumni meets as well. I had a very great experience studying in CMR Technical Campus, and I'm really thankful that I got all the knowledge which I have to get
CSE.
when it comes to working in different environments from CMR Technical Campus. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I'm Hema Thuram and I'm a graduate from CMA Technical Campus, batch of 2020 in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, when I look back at my journey at the campus, I really feel proud to be the part of this great institute, which helped me in gaining knowledge and improve my confidence and skills. I personally feel CMRTC provides a very favorable environment for realistic development, not only in academics, also in sports and also extracurricular activities, because the campus has a wide range of clubs and societies where the students can go show their talent and nurture. And also, the intensive pre-placement training program provided by the campus helped me a lot in gaining the placement in a reputed company like Value Labs with a designation in software engineer for 5 LPA. Overall, I feel that phenomenal infrastructure and the faculty always ready to help you grow and excel in the areas you are interested. Finally, I would say all the best for the prospective students. Thank you.
I congratulate CMR Technical Campus for
Yes, sir. మీకు ఇయర్ ఫోన్
లేదు మామూలు మాట్లాడండి.
వినపడుతుందా?
వినపడుతుంది.
అది పెట్టుకోవాలి.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance, dear students.
Chart enable చేసింది.
Yeah, we are discussing about programming languages. Programming language, as I mentioned, for any branch of the student who joined in this computer science specializations, programming is very important thing. Okay, so what is programming language? Like how we know different languages and we'll communicate with each other in order to done our things. In the same way, computers also understand certain languages. We need to speak in those languages only to the computer. Then only we will make the computers to work for us. Okay. Not only computer, any mission, any robot, if you take, or any other mission like a smartphone or a smartwatch, any other mission, if that particular hardware need to work as per your instructions, you should understand what languages that particular hardware can understand. Okay, so these are the some of the programming languages. These can be a traditional or modern mixture is there. C language is the fundamental language every engineering student must know, and Python is another language. Then C++, JavaScript, Java, .NET, PHP. These are the different kinds of programming languages. Okay, in your first year, you are going to learn about C language. C is the name of the language. In that language, going to have some syntax and some rules. Any language, English language is having some grammar, some rules to follow. In the same way, C language is also having some rules and syntax to be followed so that computers can able to understand what the instructions you are giving, and it will act accordingly, depends upon your interest. So these things are usually covered in our regular academics. So what is the next? If you want to secure higher package jobs, okay, I am telling you should participate in competitive coding. Okay, you should participate in competitive coding. When you are eligible to participate in competitive coding, the day one, once you started learning a programming language, you can start practicing in competitive environments. What are those competitive environments? Here I was listed 6 kinds of online platforms where international students are collaborating in order to understand and solve problems by using the programming languages. Okay, Code Academia, Code Chef, Hacker Rank, Cheat Code, Top Coders, Code Forces. These are all the different platforms. Okay, competitive coding is a little different than normal coding. Normal coding, suppose if I ask you to perform finding the given number is even number or odd number. Okay, what is the mathematical logic for finding a number is even number or odd number? Okay, a number is divisible by 2, then it is an even number. If number is not divisible by 2, it is an odd number. So that mathematic logic we are implementing in a programming language so that computer can understand, and whenever if you are given a number, it tells whether it is even number or odd number. But what these competitive coding environments are going to help you means it is going to check how much time and space your program consuming, and whoever can able to code in a more optimistic way, in a more better way, their programs will be ranked, and depends upon the ranks you are getting. Recruiters directly look into these competitive platforms, and they will start recruiting you directly through the perform by looking into your performance. So here I want to give you some valuable strategy to become a successful graduate. Every day you learn one program. Every day you take a good brand new notebook. It cost must be definitely more than 2 to 300, and purchase a good pen. Every day there is no Sunday, no holiday, no Dasara, nothing. Every day you learn one program in C language in first year. Every day learn one program. In a year, you are by the time you are coming to the second year, you are going to learn around 300 plus programs. Every day, spend half an hour to 45 minutes, learn the program completely, logically, what is the logic behind that particular program, okay, what are the syntaxes, what is the optimized approach, all those things. Learn one program in a single day and write that program in your notebook and execute the program in your laptop. Make sure that you are well prepared with that program, even it is small program also. Try to learn one program in a single day. 300 logics you are having in your brain by the time you are completing your first year. Repeat the same process for 4 years. 1200 programs you are going to have. 1200 programs you are going to have. Then 1200 logics definitely fetch you a good job in the market. That is my intention. You should not find any holidays, nothing. Every day, try to learn one program. Write that program in your notebook, execute it perfectly. Learn only one program. You may study or may not study any other subjects, but I am strictly recommending you learn one program for one day. If someone can able to apply this strategy successfully, you can able to get higher packages in your placement process. Okay, in globally people are looking at coding. Even you are recruiting at the position of vice president also, they are asking you to write codes on whiteboard. Okay, so how strong you are in programming and coding, that much proportionate to facts you are going to get in your recruitment process. So in that process I referred various kinds of online platforms: Hacker Rank, Code Academia, Code Chef. Here, if possible, write down these platforms, visit these websites. Platforms means these are different websites. Visit these websites. Definitely, you are going to get lot of learning experience over these platforms. Lot, even you can compete with students in United States. You can compete students in China, Germany. Okay, these platforms will help you to have friends globally, and you can form a global teams in order to solve global problems. Okay, this is a different range of learning process. Okay, so what I am telling directly, you should not jump into it. First, you start learning C language. Parallelly, start working in HackerRank. Okay, one day, one program. Don't forget this particular concept. If you can able to work these 4 years in this direction, one day, one program, nothing is required. Learn that program perfectly in a single day, single program. At the by the time you are completing your final year, you are going to complete 1200 programs. 1200 logics are more than enough to participate in a Google interview or Facebook interview or Amazon interview. Any big company also you can participate. The thing you need to remember here is whatever you are learning, learn it perfectly. Okay, we are here in the department. If you got any doubt, any confusion during the understanding of the logic, or anywhere during the learning process you struck out, you approach any one of your C faculty or faculty in the department. Definitely we are ready here to help you, and will make you to strengthen in these domains. While you are working in these domains also, you got any problem, you can consult us. We will help you over there. Remember, entire my intention of speaking in this session is making you people to realize the importance of coding, and everyone should convince to learn one single program in a single day. That definitely changes the entire your life. Not only you, many people are coming into middle class families and some other. If you can able to crack a job of 25 lakhs per annum, you understand how well your families will settle. Okay, all these things depends upon the 4 years of effort you are going to put here. So, okay, what effort actually required for our four branches? Programming is the fundamental effort required. If someone who is really working on programming, at the end of the 4 years, definitely you can get a job. Okay, you can get a high paid job, I'm telling. Okay, nowadays in these batches, people are getting 25 lakhs, 15 lakhs. After 4 years, the packages will be more and opportunities also high, because you have chosen a very good branch. So whatever you understand or not, I am least bothered about it. Fundamentally, I am telling you, purchase a book today itself. Every day learn one programming. Today, type introduction to C language in Google. Then you will start understanding language. You should build curiosity. Okay, and start understanding. And one more thing, for learning engineering education, you should have a proper strategy. First of all, you should understand what are the subjects available in this particular semester, and then take syllabuses of all those subjects available in JN2H site, or you can collect it from the department also. Okay, collect all the syllabus. Like intermediate, you are not going to get entire syllabus in a single book, and there will not be any ready-made materials. You should have an habit of by you should build an habit of learning through textbooks. Okay, you need to read the textbooks, understand it, and prepare your own notes. In your class, faculty are going to explain the concepts. You can clarify any doubts you are having. At the end of the day, you need to have a self learning. You need to study the textbooks, and you need to prepare your own notes. That helps you. Don't forget, don't hesitate to purchase textbooks of all the subjects in every semester. Okay, 6 subjects are there. Prescribed textbooks of all those 6 subjects you purchase. Then take the printout syllabus for all these subjects. Then keep 6 notes for 6 subjects. Then whenever you are studying, prepare your own notes. That if you follow that strategy, definitely you can score more than 80%. Okay, more than 80%. My dear friends, I'm telling again and again, if you can able to work for 4 years continuously, you can able to change the shape of your family. You can able to change the lifestyle of your parents. Okay, nowadays many people maybe with struggle they may join you here. Okay, once you can able to crack this good package job, you can able to spend 40 years of luxurious life. Okay, you imagine that life, you dream for that life, and work these 4 years in that passion. Okay, you imagine if you take your mother to a gold shop, and if you can able to gift a necklace to her, how much happy she will feel. Okay, that kind of enjoyment you need to find means. You need to work these 4 years restlessly. You need to work. Okay, don't take rest, don't relax. Okay, so far from LKG onwards, you made a great journey up to this. Okay, last 4 years, if you hit this last 4 years, you will get a six. Otherwise, you will be out. Okay, I'm telling, go for six. Don't get relaxed. 100%. If you follow the strategy every day, one program, hardly 1 hour, Don't take holidays, nothing, then you can becoming a successful graduate. Okay, then here we are having different MOEs from our department side. We are having different MOEs with different companies like UiPath. It's a robotic process automation company. Worldwide, around 7,000 clients are there. Okay, many aeroplane companies, many manufacturing companies, all are clients to this particular UiPath. Next, Automation Anywhere is another company we are having MOU. Orbit Shifters is an artificial intelligence company, and we are having academic alliance with MNIT Jaipur. It is an NIT in Jaipur, and we are having MOUs with Wipro Talent Next or Chusa. What is this MOU? What will happen to through this MOU to students? What is the benefit? Means we can able to get training on value added courses through the industry. Okay, what are some all courses it is not possible to learn through our academics. Okay, JN2 is going to keep some syllabus, and according to that syllabus we need to study, but market may demand little more skills. Okay, those skills we are going to acquire through the MOUs made with the industry. Means industry person will come to our college and they will train our students on the latest technologies. Okay, so these are the latest technologies we are already training our senior students, which are very much required: robotic process automation, augmented reality, virtual reality, computer vision. Just get familiarized with the names. In due course, I will tell applications of these. Okay, so through industry MOUs, we are going to get value added skill to existing academics. Okay, whatever the courses not possible to learn through academics and latest updates in the industry, we can able to learn through the these collaborations with industry. So these are the drone technologies, natural language processing, Salesforce, deep learning, image analytics. These are the various value added courses we have identified, and we are making our students to learn these courses in order to compete with the global workforce in order to meet the requirements of the global industry. Right. Next, these are the research centers we are having. Data analytics research center is there. Artificial intelligence research center is there, and mobile and web technologies research center is there. IoT research center is there. These are the four major research centers we are having in our department. Depends upon your interest. You can be a part of any one of the research center, and their mentors will be there. They are going to tell you different problems to solve, and you can get joined in the problem solving by the professors, and you can participate in hackathons, and you can take the mentorship from the respective research centers. Okay, that is the thing about research centers. Then real-time case studies, I will close within 5 to 6 minutes. Some case studies, if I started talking hours and hours, we can speak on these. One of the product these A and DS students can produce is a self-driving car. Okay, self-driving car is a artificial intelligent mission which can able to move from one place to another place without human intervention, more effective than human being. How it is happening? Cameras fixed to this particular car, observing the environment, that input they are giving to the algorithm analyzing whether to move forward, take left, or apply brake, or take right. So like the Tesla is one of the biggest company in the world which is manufacturing driverless cars, self-driving cars. This is one of the application or real-time case study of artificial intelligence. Next, damaged parts detection in the brain. This is an MRI image of brain. Sometimes doctors naked eye unable to detect a micro level defects in the images, but computer can able to differentiate any image at pixel level, very minute level. So in medical diagnosis, artificial intelligence playing major role. So not only in transport industry, in medical industry also artificial intelligence playing major role, right? So this is an application. Means medical diagnosis, medical image diagnosis, we can make use of artificial intelligence technologies. Okay. Next, chatbots. Maybe most of you are experienced whenever you visited any website. For example, if you visited HDFC website, there one chatbot is there. You can directly chat with that. Okay, you want what is the interest rate for personal loan, then it is going to reply you. Okay, rather than human beings, now come software robots. These are all called software robots. These software robots are acting like a human being. It is understanding input given by us and it is replying accordingly. That is the chatbot. It is one of the application of artificial intelligence. Next, virtual reality. Okay, so person sitting here is virtually operating the robot. Depends upon the hand movements he is giving. This robot also acting accordingly. Okay, so in difficult conditions. Okay, whenever some fire accidents are happening, cyclones are happening, earthquakes are happening, where human beings are unable to enter, through this particular virtual reality technology, we can able to send the robots to that particular location and we can do the rescue operations. Okay, that is the concept. Next, augmented reality. Augmented reality also one of the artificial intelligence technique. Means we can bring outside product to our environment and we can check how effectively it is fitting. Suppose you have constructed a new house, you want to see what kind of sofa is best suit to your hall. You can bring that particular sofa to your hall and you can check in a live environment. So this particular person checking this particular watch, how nice this particular watch is for his hand. So augment, we can augment objects into reality. That is the another application of artificial intelligence. Next, drones. Many of you have seen the drones. Okay, drone, how a drone is moving. This is a mission thinking like human being. Then it is a product of artificial intelligence. Where these drones are using agriculture, in agriculture, in order to supply the fertilizers to the farm. Nowadays, people are using drones. Drone will go to the farm and it will distribute the, it will provide the fertilizer. This is the fertilizer tank and sprinklers are there. Sprinklers are spraying the fertilizer. So in agriculture, for getting high yieldings, we are using drones. Why? Because human beings were spraying these fertilizers, they are dying in early age because of exposing to these chemicals. In order to solve those problems, people are introduced these agriculture drones. Next, these delivery drones. Okay, nowadays in many countries, people are delivering products through drones, not human beings. Okay, nowadays in like Swiggy and Zomato, people are delivering the products to the home. Then in future, already this technology is available and adoption and proper government approvals are required. So this is another technology. So drones are one of the application of artificial intelligence. Okay. Uh, Next, gene editing. See, fundamentally, DNA is the major part in any human being. Okay, the color, height, and memory power, IQ levels, all are coming through DNA only. How DNA will come? DNA inherited from your parental. So by using artificial intelligence, people are editing the DNA, mother DNA, father DNA. They are removing the bad things and they are combining with all good things, and they can add good things to the DNA, and they are creating next generation. So genomics and gene editing is one of the major upcoming application in artificial intelligence, which can able to produce intelligent human beings, highly capable human beings who can live for long period of time without diseases. Okay, that is another thing. Then natural language processing. Natural language processing is one of the major application of artificial intelligence. Okay, what it means, you are talking, I am talking in a natural language like, hi computer, how are you? Then mission should understand my natural language and it should reply me accordingly. Yeah, I am fine. Okay. In these various applications are there. Okay, fake news detection. If so many news are coming in YouTube and Twitter, Facebook, okay, you should build a software program that can able to take that news as input and tells whether it is a fake news or correct news. Okay, or translation application. You speak in one language. Suppose I'm delivering some lecture in English, and some program can able to convert this one into Chinese language. That is mission translation application. Classifying emails. Suppose some spam emails means some threatening emails may come to your mail ID. That software program can detect what is the mail, and depends upon the content in the mail, it is going to keep in spam or it is going to keep in normal inbox. Next, predicting the diseases. Okay, sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis. Suppose nowadays how people are purchasing the products. If you want to see the movie also, you are going to read the reviews over the movie. If you want to purchase the product, you are going to see the reviews on the product, then only you are going to take a decision, right? So if 1 lakh reviews are there, 1 lakh customers are written a review on a particular product, you are going to have a time to read all 1 lakh products, 1 lakh reviews? It's impossible. So we are building an intelligent software that takes all 1 lakh reviews as the input, and finally it tells all 1 lakh people are positive about the product or negative about the product or neutral about the product. That is the sentiment analysis. Next, personal voice assistant. Like maybe most of your knows, like Alexa, Siri. Alexa, if you take tell Alexa, please keep TV9, then it is going to take your voice as input and perform the function. So these are all comes under natural language processing application, which are one of the applications of artificial intelligence. Then robotic process automation. Okay, robotic process automation, simple. I will tell you one example rather than getting into all these. I have created a software robot. Whenever any mail come to my mail ID inbox, it is going to read and automatically it will give the reply. Okay, all repeated processes, repeated actions are replaced with a robot. That one we are going to call as robotic process automation. An exclusive research center is there in our campus for this, and we are going to train. I myself trained on robotic process automation. We can work many projects in this particular area. Next, optical character recognition. Okay, okay, handwritten characters, printed characters, we can recognize through computer, and we can apply it in many applications. Suppose in bank check clearances, every check bank clerk need to see and verify the sign means very difficult. If you apply optical character recognition, it will check the sign, matches in the database and tells approved or not. Okay, suppose in ORR, if you are going more speed more than 100, you need to find. Then a camera is going to capture the number plate of the car. If it is exceeding certain speed, it is going to send a fine to that particular person. Means handwritten characters or printed characters can be recognized through this OCR technology, optical character recognized technology. So when in an apartment or in a gated community, outside cars are not allowed. If some car came, by looking into the number, it can, if it is an outside car, then it can fire on a buzzer indicating that some other outside car came. Like that, this OCR technology works. Yes, driver drowsiness detection. When most of the accidents why are happening because of sleepiness, drowsiness of the driver. So we are nowadays we can able to build a product which can able to always focus on the face of the driver. If it seems driver is getting sleep, it is going to alert him by making some sound or noise. Okay, that can help us to reduce drowsiness of the driver. Then expert systems. Okay, like an expert doctor, this particular AI system can able to diagnose the problems in the patients. Okay, here what happen is we are taking the knowledge of an expert doctor and we are keeping a knowledge base. Whenever patient come, he is going to post his query. That query is interfacing with the knowledge base, and he is going to get diagnosed with the brain of an expert doctor. Okay, assume that a kidney specialist is there in US, who is the famous in the entire world. So he is unable to serve every person in the world. We are taking the knowledge of that particular person, means we are replacing his brain into the machine. Then that machine can able to work like that world famous doctor. Okay. Then stock market price prediction also one of the application of data science, means we can able to predict the price of a stock in advance. That definitely helps the investors to gain money in the stock market. Then recommendation systems, most of you may be experienced whenever you visited Amazon or Netflix, we are going to get recommendations. The person who purchased these products also purchased this, the person who watched this movie also watched this movie. So that kind of recommendations also done through recommendation systems. Next, AI gaming. Okay, AI gaming is another application. Deep Blue is a software program which already won world chess champion Gary Kasparov. This software, AI software, can able to defeat the people in the champions in this particular domain. So in gaming industry also AI is having applications. Then facial recognition systems, emotion recognition system. By looking into the face, we can detect what kind of emotion is surprise, sad, or next action detection. These are all different kind. Eating, driving, answering, running, boxing. Different actions we can able to make a software to detect. Next, digital assistants like Alexa. So these are the major applications we have seen so far. These are all applications we can able to work in these 4 years of tenure. Just go through these applications. Computer vision, just trying to fastly recollect. These are the applications: self-driving cars, medical image diagnosis, chatbots, virtual reality, augmented reality, drones, gene editing, natural language processing, robotic process automation, optical character recognition, driver drowsiness detections, expert systems, stock market predictions, recommendation systems, AI in gaming, facial recognition systems, emotion recognition systems, and action recognition systems. In a broader scope, I hope what are the problems an AI or data science graduate can able to solve. You understand. Okay, in future you can able to choose any one of the problems and you can introduce, you can provide innovative solutions in these domains. Okay, I hope I've tried my level best to make you people to get familiarized with the new environment. Uh, at this point, I am stopping my session. One more professor is there. He is going to speak about various aspects. Okay, about our department and facilities available in our department. Okay, thank you. Just stay connected. Sir will join already there. Within few minutes, he will start his session. Thank you.
Is it audible, guys? Yeah, right. Let's have a ఇందాక మనం మీ అల్యూమిని వీడియోస్ ప్లే చేశాం కదా. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ ప్లేడ్? మీకు విన్నారా? ఎస్ అయితే ఎస్, నో అయితే నో. ప్లే నో. కొంతమంది విన్నారు, కొంతమంది వినలేదు. సో లెట్ మీ ప్లే ఫ్రమ్ ద మిడిల్.
I got aluminum and updates about the college.
The Indian is ready.
It's CMR Technical Campus for UGC autonomous status, and I'm happy that the college which taught me more than what is required for me to excel in my career has achieved this status. And I keep getting messages about alumni meets and updates about the college regularly from my college faculty, and I'm happy for my college for achieving this. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Mohammed Abdul. I'm currently working as a coach trainer for Infosys Limited. I'm a distance graduate from CMR Technical Campus, and I'm glad to know that our college has been autonomous. I would like to congratulate our chairman, Mr. Gopal Reddy sir, and Masanta Lata ma'am. And I would like to thank my faculty members. They have shared such a great knowledge that I can survive in my corporate fields. So I would like to thank my CMR team as well as my college. And I would like to share my love with my CMR team. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the students who have enrolled themselves for the bachelor's degree in CMR Technical Campus. I'm Sumakirti from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of 2016 to 2020 batch, got placed in Valley Momentum. CMR Technical Campus is equipped with digital classrooms, supportive faculty, good infrastructure, various clubs and activities. Students who would like to get more information apart from their academics or including the academics can approach the library which is located in D block. The library consists of plethora of books by different authors and students can also surf the web in the digital library. Regards to food, the canteen which is located behind the D block provides the best and hygienic food for all the students at the affordable prices. And for the ones who are into physical activities or who are more into fitness can utilize the K block for all the indoor games and can use the vast playground for the outdoor games. Keeping all the extracurricular activities aside, coming to academics and placements, CMR Technical Campus provides a campus recruitment training wherein a student is brushed up on their skills and taught how to crack the interviews. Finally, to conclude, getting into engineering might be thrilling, but then completing it successfully by facing all the struggles and hurdles is what makes a good engineer. So, I wish you all the very best in this 4 year journey of CMR Technical Campus. Do utilize the opportunities to make the best use of it. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Nikhil. I've recently passed out from CMR Technical Camp.
Yes, this is the person who have placed in a Bank of New York company highest placement package and చెప్పారు అనుకుంటా మీకు. So 15 lakhs package ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో this is the person.
Currently I'm working as a software developer at Bank of New York Mellon. CMR helped me to develop in various aspects. It helped me to establish technical knowledge through various training programs. CMR helped me to find a right job. I wish all the best to all the students who are joining CMR. I hope you make the most out of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ananya Chowdhury. I'm pursuing my second year in CMR Technical Campus from CSE department. Though it has been a short period of time, I feel immensely pleasure to share my thoughts and experiences with this college. Our college provides a lot of trainings which help students for their future. Even in this pandemic, our college is trying to bring out the best in the students by putting a lot of effort and hence providing us many trainings like CRT, etc., which helped us to learn a lot. We have been observing our seniors too. Many got placed in various top MNCs with a pretty good package. And yeah, CMRTC is not only about trainings and placements. We have various clubs in our college which brings out the talents of all the students through different activities and events. This short period in CMRTC has helped me to learn, to grow, and to be a better person, due to which I also got an internship opportunity in Digital Connect. Yeah, this is it. Thank you for each and everyone for giving me this opportunity. CMR Technical Campus.
till now you people have watched some videos from our alumni and from my juniors, but let me tell you something very interesting about my college, that we have some centers which will be dealing with the skills of student, and which may get you some new skills when you are into these centers. So currently I'm working with two centers from my college. They are a Center for Mobile and Web Technologies from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and secondly Center for Additive Manufacturing and Product Design. It's from Department of Mechanical Engineering. So what my college gave me? My college gave me a great opportunity in incubating my own startup in the first year itself, where we deal with projects related to web technologies and additive manufacturing. And secondly, my college gave me a team of 5 people, including a mentor, where we deal with projects related to web development. And currently, we are working on 3 international projects. Finally, I congratulate my college for getting autonomous status. And once again, I congratulate all of you people for getting your admission into CMRTC. Have a great degree ahead.
So Varaprasad sir, are you available, sir? Hello.
The engineering course of CSE specialization of AI and ML and data science. So what we are going for today is we just wanted to give what kind of activities which are going through with the department, and that would be given as a beneficial to the student. How a student can become successful engineering graduate after passing through the 4 years of the engineering course. So as you are entered into the first year of BTech in AI/ML or in data science, the department is offering with two UG programs. One is BTech CSE and second is BTech IT. And with the two more specializations which have come up with this academic year, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning. And another specialization is data science. And right now the intake for UG programs is 240, 180, 180, 120 for BTech CSE, BTech CSE AI/ML, BTech CSE Data Science, and BTech IT. The department is also offering one PG program. One is in CSE as a specialization, and whose intake is 18. So the department is accredited with the National Board of Accreditation for 2 times and accredited with the NAC, A grade for the institution. And after 10 years of the successful completion, the institute has accorded as a UGC autonomous status. Then to work for a successful engineering graduate, the department has a vision and a mission. A vision is also called as long-term plan, and the mission is going to be accomplishing that long-term goal or long-term plan to be accomplished by the short-term plans. The long-term plan is the successful completion of engineering graduate should be able to solve all the real-time engineering problems. How do you achieve this particular real-life engineering problems? So to make use of that, we have with minimum number of temporary or a short-term goal. One who has to learn about the computing strategies. The computing strategies which are to be developed by the skills and by making use of the practical problems using contemporary computer-based technologies. Contemporary-based computer technologies. I mean to say here, you need to learn about not only the principles of fundamentals, but also with the advanced skill set from the C, C++, Python, DBMS, software engineering. Not only that, but also with the latest edge-cutting technologies like AI, ML, DL, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning with the different tools, natural language processing, computer vision, and many are there. Augmented reality, virtual reality, cyber security, etc. So these are all the different skill set where you need to adopt here or you need to learn here to achieve a real life engineering problems. The other one is by knowing the theory, which we cannot compute here with the entire process. The entire process can be converted into the experimental values. If you have an experimental knowledge, then only you'll be able to compete with the real-time engineering problems. So for which we have research centers, technical clubs, which we can also call it as. And if you are interested in any one of those, you can join and learn some kind of the practical knowledge, how to implement that, and then to achieve any kind of the problem. So for which the laboratory facilities which are there with the research centers, and you can have even for making use of certainly some kind of the activities which you can run through with the industry based and alumni based to learn for more and that is to be used for this contemporary technologies. Then third short-term plan is self-learning abilities. The self-learning ability which will make us to learn on our own for any co-curricular activities or extracurricular activities if it is not being there in the designed curriculum. So the curriculum is not provided like let us say if one of the technology which is not there. Let's say I wanted to learn about Ruby. I wanted to learn about deep learning. I wanted to learn about something called machine learning. So therefore, if these are not there, cyber security, like whatnot, augmented reality, virtual reality, if these are not there, so therefore that can be listened and that can be watched to some kind of videos which are provided by that, and then you may understand some kind of that, and then you can answer a few questions which are related to that. Then you may be in a position to understand what the technology and how the technology transforms the human being and how this intelligence is going to be given to the computer so that it can be reacted. So those are the things that can be done in the form of self-learning abilities in the form of different research centers and technical clubs. We say that the clubs which are there in your first year is different than to the second, third, and final year. I mean to say that you're coming to the department only in the second year for AI/ML or data science. That comes under CSE. That comes under CSE. So these are all the different strengths which we are making use in the department to provide a quality education to the student. So we have well qualified and experienced faculty, and most of the classes which are going for outcome based education. We have inter-industry collaborations, industry academia collaboration, and MOUs for certainly some kind of the collaborations for understanding the latest technologies and that are to be transformed from the industry people as well for alumni people. Disciplined environment, then also offered for internships, placements, and entrepreneurship here. So kind of trainings and kind of tests, kind of mock tests, and that are being prepared for both for internships and placements. And maybe if you have a good idea, then you can convert that into a good plan of executing to deliver a product. So therefore, that can be given as an opportunity in the entrepreneurship development. Then department is offering for the R&D, research and development. They have all the faculty are having with their own publications, then filed patents, then granted copyrights, and even along with the students where the faculty are also completing their skill enhancement programs through certifications. The students are advised to join the association activities. All the association activities are being prepared and mentored by the faculty members and being executed by the student itself. The community has to be prepared here with the board for the association activities, and that board is going to be consisting with the faculty members as the members and HOD as the chairman. So along with the students, and then the activities are being performed here. So what type of activities which are being prepared here with the association activities? The association activities which are being running through, like giving guest lectures, preparing some kind of real-time problems and how to solve. So mind-boggling sessions. Then you have group discussions, and then you can have with any kind of the practical activities like simulation activities or enhancing about your technological development, then how to make executions of any kind of the product activities, etc., can be managed here by the association activities. Then research centers, as I told you that research center is uh, uh, will help us really to the students to be converting of your plans into the publication matters, like filing a patent, then granting of a patent, then converting that into a copyright. It is intellectual properties. So by making use of these research centers, the mentor will be working out. The mentor is one of the faculty members of the department, and for each and every research center, and a part of other faculty members will also help in the research centers to produce some kind of the publications here. So the research center will also involve the members of a student community. And if you are interested in any one of the research center, then you can enroll and then you can work along with the mentors. Then we have even student professional chapters, and these student professional chapters are being helping to make the membership of student branches. And we have a CSI student branch, we have a IEEE student branch, and we have a ISTE student branch. Then possibly we can extend even for the ACM student branch. So these are all the different kind of activities which are running through with the department, and which is also called as a strength of the department. These are the things which you can have in the human resources. 7 professors, 15 associate professors, 42 assistant professors, 3 system administrators, hardware engineer 1, 8 programs, altogether 76 people, which is running through the department. So it's kind of safety measures which are also being considered and taken for the entire campus and even in the department also. Then every class is being fixed up with ICT enabled teaching, where every classroom is like a gallery view, that is a stepwise flooring, and wherein you can see the window onto the projector or the blackboard, which can be seen very easily for the people who are sitting at the last. Then one good point in the website wherein you can see with the college data share. College data share is being really helpful for us, where it will be loaded with a different kind of sources of the information which is available for your subjects, especially. Like if I wanted to have with C programming, then you can see with some kind of the material which is loaded on that, where it is consisting with the material of reading, material of watching videos, and material of even for making the certifications. So like for different kinds of resources which are available, where it is available, what is a link, name, and etc. That can seen here in the college data share. Then the department is also running through some kind of the forums for technical issues. If you are finding any difficulty, so that the forum is going to be answered, where the student community or the faculty can be cleared with that particular answer if anybody does not know anything. So like the forums will help us in making things in a better way to understand the things. It is also running through with some kind of the social networking groups for sharing their knowledges. And the laboratory is or the classroom is being converted into the hands-on practice, provided if you have any programming language which you wanted to learn, you can learn by getting off your own laptop to the campus and the class. You can open and then you can start with writing of the program, even while in the class the teacher is being explaining. So because that is being connected to the campus enabled Wi-Fi network, so you can connect and then you can execute of your programs even in the standalone system or in the cloud-based systems. It is also provided with some kind of the simulation explanation tools that is provided by the IIIT Hyderabad virtual labs. So that we will see for further in the next down the line of the class works. So some kind of the R&D projects which are being funded by the different agencies of the India. So these are all the different things which are being involved in most of the times getting the fund from the different agencies, and are completed of these many number of projects here. Then these are all the different publications which are running through with the department by the faculty members. And at the same time, the number of books and book chapters are published during the each and every year. The faculty also filed patents and granted patents, copyrights, and they are also competitive good enough to complete even the certifications along with the students. Then some kind of consultancy is also generated from the faculty members. Then these are the different conferences which are organized here by the department, 2014, 15, 16, 19, right? And a few glimpses of being given. And the faculty is also edited and reviewer for certainly some kind of the conferences and books and so on. And this slide explains about the faculty which are the part of editor or authored by some kind of books here. The faculty is also being a part of the other institutions, that is outside collaborations, like research supervisors, external panel members, trainers, and BOS for various other colleges. So conference and journal reviewers, editorial board members, and etc. Then from this, the student activities which starts, the student will be enabled with all industry academic collaborations with ICT Academy, Orbit Shifters, CloudChip, Task, Delhi MC, IIIT Virtual Labs, Virtuosa, EPAM for Java, IIT Bombay, Spoken Tutorial, and Entrepreneurship Development from CITD, Central Institute of Tool Design. Annihilation Research Lab is purely for research. Brunel University and Bennett University is for exchanging of the knowledge or sharing the knowledge between the process of universities to us and from us to them, and so on. We have many number of certifications which are being completed by the students from these particular number of academic collaborations from the industry. Then these are the MOUs which are being by the number of centers here. Virtuosa Center for Java, Wipro for Talent Next, Lincoln University for higher education, right? IBM for cloud computing, right? Candura for first year assessment tool, like a task, Insofe for data science, right? Fusion Technologies, Coin Edu. These are all the different things wherein you can work for some kind of the enhancement tools here to gain the knowledge by the students. Then, as I told you that there are professional chapters of CSI, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, then Indian Society for Technical Education, and even also extended for same ACM members. So the CSI chapter, student branch chapter, which is going to be taken the membership from who are coming to the department from second year onwards. So in the first year, there is no question of any membership here, as far as I know. So when you come to the department, you are going to be insisted to go for the CSI membership, right? Then even you can go for IEEE or IST also, because this student branch membership will enable us to learn and exchange the ideas between the institutions and between the stage and between the enabled programming structures, and they based on that wherein we may also get some kind of the contingency or fund for a traveling of any kind of the conference which is being conducted, or if you are submitting of a paper and if you wanted to give the delivering of that particular paper presentation, then you'll get some kind of contingency from these particular student branch chapters. So these are the research centers which we have from the department. So MWT for mobile and web technologies, then data analytics, then IoT, then knowledge engineering and deep learning, UiPath, and robotic process automation. So some kind of research centers, and every research center is being mentored by one faculty member as an in charge or coordinator of that. And under him were the students and other faculty members who are being involved. So based upon your interest, when you come to the second year, or even you can be joined with your within first year onwards, and you can start working of any particular value which you are interested in this case. Then it is more important here wherein the students of CSE or IT, which are being involved in the association activities, wherein the student associations are being completed, the industry and alumni people who are coming and delivering the lectures to the students on latest educating technologies, so that the people will learn and gain certainly some kind of the knowledge, and they can start executing of certainly some kind of the programming, and in turn it will be converted into the mini project and major project. Then ATL is Advanced Technology Laboratory. This will be used to learn not only for the advanced technologies, but also for implementing and then getting a job from the employer. That is how to practice on different methodologies and different platforms. And we'll also give some kind of the trainings from the placement office here or placement cell here on the advanced technology laboratories. The experience which we can share by the alumni is going to be more important in any kind of the aspect of student value. So some kind of the events, some glimpse here where which we projected here, various events which are organized by the students from the department of CSE and IT. So workshops which are being also being conducted from the department. The robotics workshop, spoken tutorial workshop for getting the certifications, and so ethical hacking who have been cleared the certifications here. Then a workshop on Google MDF Mobile Developer Fest, which is conducted by the Department of CSE in turn the CMR Technical Campus. Another event which is organized by the department is GCP, Google Cloud Platform, for the people who are choosing the cloud platform or cloud as a career readiness program. Then TEDx is also being organized, and in which Srijana Saga is a mountaineer who has been cleared the Kilimanjaro Everest with high peak, and who has been delivered his her experiences in the TEDx. Some kind of the technical paper presentations and who won the prizes here, where the student is also allowed to learn the peer group methodologies and peer group activities, so that the people who are coming here and people who are going for the outside of the institutions who won the competitive awards and prizes that are being given here with this. Some kind of achievements from the department, young member award or active young member award, significant contribution award, CSI student branch award for the best in the region 5, longest continuous student branch coordinator award. The kind of Android applications are also being developed by the Mobile and Web Technologies Center and kept in the Google Play Store or uploaded in the Google Play Store, and some kind of things which are being working on the patented. Not only that, but also IoT applications are also developed, and some kind of the projects which are going through some kind of other research center, say COIDA. These are the achievements of the certifications: IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorial, Dell EMC, CloudU, NPTEL, SWAYAM, Microsoft Innovation Center, Ethical Hacking, Coursera, HackerRank. Achievements from the department, in turn it will be given to the institution. So NPTEL is being announced as AA grade. Not only that, but also best certified count improvement. So these are the different certifications who are completed by the number of students here. Then innovations. When you come physically to the college, you'll be issued with a ID card, and that ID card, if you can go to with the library, and wherein you can see with in and out this thing. So we have even for the other projects here. So these are the internships which are provided by the people and various students who are taken internship from the different industries here. Who are the different people who are provided to the students industry? These are the people who are provided.